Okay. Okay. I'm Michael Irwin, and first I want to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, even if you don't like the video, even if you hit the dislike button on the video. So I want to encourage you to interact with me on this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section, like the video, share it, subscribe. Today we're going to change a dishwasher out and put a new one in. So the tools you're going to need are going to be channel locks. You're going to need a screwdriver. Maybe you want to use an impact or a drill instead of the screwdriver. You're going to potentially need wire strippers, and you may want to get a tick tester that you'll be able to use to confirm that the power is off to the cables before you go to unwiring up your existing dishwasher. So step number one, turn the power off to the dishwasher at your breaker panel. Step number two, look underneath the countertop where it overhangs above the dishwasher. You're going to see a couple of screws, more than likely, that are securing the dishwasher in place, and they're screwed into the bottom of that piece of your countertop. Step number three is going to be to look between the floor and the bottom of the door of the dishwasher. You're going to see a plastic cover plate that goes horizontally the length of the dishwasher, and probably a couple of screws holding that there on either side of the dishwasher. So unscrew that plastic cover plate, pull it away, and then you should, probably to the right hand side, find a square cover or a rectangular cover held on by probably only one screw that is covering up the wiring to the dishwasher. Once you pull that cover off, then you can use your tick tester that you could get from Lowe's for probably $15 and double check that there's no power to those wires. Once you've confirmed that there's no power to those wires, you can disconnect those wires and place the wire nuts back on to the cabling that is coming from your wall, because you don't want someone to go and hit a breaker or something and the wire just to be dangling freely uncovered under there and start, shorting out or energizing something. So put the wire nuts back on the cabling. Pull the dishwasher out. Once you pull the dishwasher out, you will notice that there is a drain hose and a water line going to your dishwasher. The drain hose is going to travel from the dishwasher to below your sink, your kitchen sink, and you just need to use your channel locks to squeeze the clamp to that drain hose, more than likely, and wiggle it free from your dishwasher. And your water line is just going to thread loose, and you want to make sure that you turn the valve off to that particular hose, and that is probably also going to be located underneath your kitchen sink. Okay, so quick intercession here. If you have copper water lines and whoever installed your dishwasher put about 15 pounds of plumber's goo inside the threads, then you may need a few additional tools to break it loose, and a little more patience. Once you've taken those off, then you have completely disconnected everything from your dishwasher, and it should slide out of the way, and then you can go to putting your new dishwasher in. I recommend hooking it up in reverse order. Turn your power back on and you should be good to go. Hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know.